Have you ever been in the middle of a presentation and suddenly started hiccuping uncontrollably? Or woken up in the middle of the night with a painful leg cramp that just won't quit? Or maybe you're sitting at your desk and your nose just won't stop bleeding. These common, everyday body problems can be incredibly frustrating, and often we have no idea how to fix them in the moment. You feel helpless, maybe a little embarrassed, and you just want it to stop. But what if I told you there are simple, effective, and science-backed ways to handle these issues right when they happen? Our bodies are incredible machines, but sometimes their signals get crossed. A hiccup is just an involuntary spasm of your diaphragm, and that stuffy nose is your body's inflammatory response to an irritant. Understanding these simple reactions is the key to solving them. In this video, we're going to unlock the secrets to 11 of these annoying body problems, giving you quick fixes that work instantly. Stay with me, because knowing these tricks won't just bring you relief. They'll empower you to take back control of your body and your day. Let's start with one of the most common and surprising ones. Hiccups. It's your diaphragm having a little spasm. So how do you calm it down? First, try sipping cold water very slowly. The cold temperature and the act of swallowing can help reset the nerve signals to your diaphragm. Another classic method is to hold your breath for about 10 seconds. This increases the carbon dioxide in your blood, which can help relax the diaphragm and stop the hiccup reflex. If that doesn't work, try swallowing repeatedly, even if you have nothing in your mouth. This stimulates the vagus nerve, which plays a role in controlling the diaphragm. And here's a fun one. Try drinking water from the opposite side of the glass. It feels weird, but it forces you to bend over and disrupts your normal breathing pattern, often stopping hiccups in their tracks. Prevention is key too. Eating too fast can cause you to swallow air, a common hiccup trigger, so slow down and enjoy your meals. Next up, the dreaded midnight leg cramp. You're fast asleep, and suddenly, a sharp, intense pain shoots through your calf. It's often caused by muscle fatigue, dehydration, or a lack of certain minerals. The instant fix? As soon as it hits, flex your foot and gently pull your toes toward your body. This directly stretches the cramping calf muscle and provides immediate relief. Once the initial pain subsides, gently massage the cramped area with your hands. This helps to improve blood flow and encourage the muscle to relax fully. If you can, carefully stand up and walk around slowly for a minute or two. This can help the muscle recover faster. To prevent these from happening, focus on hydration throughout the day. Dehydration is a major culprit. Also, make sure your diet includes magnesium-rich foods like bananas, nuts, and leafy greens. Magnesium is essential for proper muscle function. Now, let's talk about a stuffy nose. It feels like you can't breathe and it's just miserable. This happens when the blood vessels in your sinuses become inflamed. The fastest way to get relief is steam inhalation. Lean over a bowl of hot water with a towel over your head and breathe in the steam. This helps open up your blocked nasal passages. Even a hot shower can work wonders by creating a steamy environment. When you go to sleep, elevate your head with an extra pillow. This uses gravity to help reduce congestion buildup overnight. Throughout the day, drink plenty of warm fluids like herbal tea or soup. The warmth helps to thin the mucus, making it easier to clear. And a simple tip, try to avoid exposing yourself to cold, dry air, as it can make the blockage feel even worse. Summer nights often bring an unwelcome guest, the mosquito. And with it, the maddeningly itchy bite. The itch is your body's allergic reaction to the mosquito's saliva. Whatever you do, don't scratch. It can break the skin and lead to infection or scarring. Instead, try this simple trick. Apply a little bit of bar soap to the bite and let it dry. It can surprisingly reduce the itching. For a more direct approach, grab an ice pack or a cube of ice and apply it to the bite for a few minutes. The cold numbs the area and reduces inflammation, giving you instant relief. If you have an aloe vera plant, break off a leaf and apply the gel directly to the skin. It's incredibly soothing. Another natural remedy is a small dab of honey, which has antibacterial properties and can help calm the irritated skin. What about that queasy, unsettling feeling of mild nausea? It can ruin your appetite and your day. One of the best natural remedies is ginger. Sipping on some warm ginger tea can calm your stomach almost instantly. If you can handle it, chewing on a tiny piece of fresh ginger can also work wonders. Sometimes the fix is as simple as your breath. Take slow, deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. This can help relax your nervous system and ease the nausea. Pay attention to your environment too. Strong smells from perfumes, food, or smoke can be major triggers, so try to get some fresh air. And when you do eat, stick to small light portions to avoid overwhelming your digestive system. Ever feel like your ear is clogged or underwater after a flight or a cold? That's usually due to pressure differences in your eustachian tube, which connects your middle ear to the back of your throat. The simplest fix is to yawn, really stretch your jaw. This action helps to open up the eustachian tubes and equalize the pressure. Chewing gum or sucking on a hard candy also works well, as the swallowing motion does the same thing. If you don't have anything to chew on, just swallowing repeatedly can also provide relief. You can also try the Valsalva maneuver, but be gentle. Pinch your nose shut, close your mouth, and try to exhale softly through your nose. You should feel a gentle pop as your ears unblock. To prevent this, try to avoid sudden changes in altitude or pressure when possible. Ouch! You took a sip of coffee that was way too hot, and now you have a burned tongue. It's painful and makes everything taste strange. The immediate first aid is to cool it down. Suck on an ice cube or a popsicle. This will numb the pain and reduce the swelling right away. Next, reach for something soft and cold, like yogurt or a glass of cold milk. The milk will coat your tongue, creating a protective layer that soothes the burned tissue. For the next day or so, be kind to your tongue. Avoid hot, spicy, or acidic foods that will only irritate it further. And remember to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. It will help your mouth heal faster. A nosebleed can be alarming, especially if it doesn't seem to stop. The key is to apply pressure correctly. Sit down and lean forward slightly. This is crucial. Do not tilt your head back, as this can cause you to swallow blood, which can lead to nausea or choking. Now, using your thumb and index finger, firmly pinch the soft part of your nose, right below the bony bridge. Hold this pressure continuously for at least 10 minutes while breathing through your mouth. Applying a cold compress or an ice pack to the bridge of your nose can also help, as the cold constricts the blood vessels and slows the bleeding. Have you ever stood up too quickly and suddenly felt dizzy or faint, with your vision going dark? This is often due to a temporary drop in blood pressure. The most important thing to do is to sit down immediately to prevent yourself from falling and getting hurt. Once you're seated, lower your head between your knees. This position helps gravity bring blood flow back to your brain more quickly. Focus on taking slow, deep breaths to stabilize your oxygen levels. If you suspect you might be dehydrated, sipping some water can also help. And as a general rule, always try to avoid standing up too quickly, especially if you've been sitting or lying down for a long time. Sometimes you start sneezing, and you just can't stop. This sneezing fit is usually triggered by allergens or irritants in your nasal passages. A quick way to flush them out is by using a saline nasal spray. It gently cleanses your nose and soothes the irritation. It's just also a good idea to wash your face and hands to remove any lingering pollen or dust that might be causing the reaction. Pay attention to your surroundings. If you're in a dusty room or near freshly cut grass, move to a cleaner environment. Staying hydrated by drinking water also helps keep your nasal passages moist and less susceptible to irritants. Finally, let's tackle acid reflux, that burning sensation in your chest after eating. It happens when stomach acid flows back up into your esophagus. A surprising trick is to chew sugar-free gum after a meal. This stimulates saliva production, which helps neutralize acid and wash it back down. Eating smaller, more frequent meals instead of large ones can prevent your stomach from getting overloaded. Also, try to avoid lying down for at least 2 to 3 hours after eating to let gravity do its job. Be mindful of your trigger foods, which are often spicy, fatty, or acidic. And maintaining a healthy weight can make a huge difference, as excess weight puts pressure on your stomach. Remember, these simple fixes can empower you to handle life's little annoyances with confidence. Listening to your body and knowing how to respond can prevent small issues from becoming big problems. Stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and manage your stress. Thank you for watching, and if you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need it. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.